Hi. Welcome to Prem Holdings Lifting and Rigging. We are going to show you the process of install and set up a portable gantry crane. This gantry crane is a custom-made requested to be used in marine sites. The installation started with install the top beam with gantry crane legs. All the gantry parts painted and sealed with sling wrapper to avoid any scratches during transport the gantry to the customer's place. The next step is installing 2 sets of rigid wheel and 2 sets of swivel with brake. This helps to move the gantry crane easily from one place to another place. Also, the swivel brake functions to lock the wheel from move. Once finished, install the wheels, started to installing the plain trolley as per customer request. Plain trolley suitable for the work environment without power. It is also safety and simply maintenance. As a final step, check for any unfinished paint surfaces on gantry and make sure do the paint touch-up work before leave from the customer place. Also, we will provide the necessary labels such as working load limit, WLL, warning, and gantry crane information included with next load test date on stickers. All the provided stickers will be stick on the gantry. Finished install and set up of portable gantry crane. The dimension with height 3.5 meter, length 1.7 meter, and width 1.46 meter. Other than that, we will provide information and provide a basic training on how to use the gantry crane wisely. Also, discuss any queries from the customer. For any queries, contact us at 014-942-2186 or visit our website www.liftingandrigging.com.my.